Good morning. Today is the 25th of September, 2019. Dakota's right over there. And we're going to learn about negative exponents today. So we're going to start with, let's start with the learning goal. It feels like Talitha. Talitha, would you like to tell us the learning goal?
I go with positive, negative, exponent.
Excellent. And then Ava, why?
This is a tool that I will need to have for high school.
Yes. So negative exponents are one of those math tools that you're going to need in future math classes. Some of the applications are converging series, limits, scientific notation, taking derivatives. I should put up exponential growth and decay. So this is a big tool, but you're not going to be using it as a tool. You're learning it so you can use it later on when you take harder math. So it's something I got to teach you, but it's not one of those things that you're going to use in your everyday life. Unless you Pythagorean theorem is useful, and I have used that when I'm doing construction problem things. And in order to use Pythagorean, you've got to be able to use square roots. So some of this stuff is really relatable. This one not as much as other topics. So I'm going to explain why negative exponents work. Let's start with slide number 7. What do you see? The 2s? Oh, okay. So we're going to start with 2 to the 3rd power. Okay. You're writing this down. And that's part of it. Who asked me about why I don't just keep it up here? Was it you? Like, why don't I just... Part of it is that when I'm writing, it's your signal that you should be writing also. Okay.
Yeah.
So 2 to the 3rd, explain to me how it works. Go for it.
You times it by itself 3 times.
So 2 times 2 times 2, and what does that equal?
8.
Nice. 2 to the 2nd power. Walk me through it.
2 to the 2nd power is 2 times 2 equals 4.
Thank you, Griffin. 2 to the 1st power. Ganter. Nice. Yes, Ganter. 2 to the 0 power. All right. And now I think we're into the world of guessing or trying to wiggle our way into it. Sam.
0.
Sam says 0. That is incorrect.
1.
Sam says 1. What do you think?
2.
2. Negative 4. I forgot. 1. I'm gonna walk you through it and see if your answers change. So far, no one knows the right answer. What's 8 divided by 2?
4.
4 divided by 2.
2.
1.
What's anybody think this is?
1.
1. Look at the pattern. Look at the pattern. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. But I know what you're thinking. Yeah, Mr. Barr, but that only works with 2s.
No.
Well, keep this. We're going to write some more stuff under here, but do you have some space over here at the same time?
Yep.
Let's try the 3s.
Do we do the negative one too?
I'm not there yet. Three to the 3rd. Raising a hand. What's 3 to the 3rd? Bot.
It's 3 times 3 times
Which is?
3.
Nice. Cameron, 3 to the 2nd.
It is 3 times 3 equals
Lorena, 3 to the 1st.
3.
Let's see if it works. What's 27 divided by 3?
9.
What's 9 divided by 3?
3.
What's 3 divided by 3?
1.
All right, now we're going to go into the world of negatives. 2 to the negative 1. Mark.
Is it -1?
It is not.
-2.
-2, no. And hands are going down.
0.
It's not 0, not 0.
-2 times
Negative, that would be +4, no.
1/2.
1/2, yes. Let's see.
Wait.
What's 8 divided by 2?
4.
What's 4 divided by 2? What's 2 divided by 2? 1. What's 1 divided by 2?
1/2.
How about 2 to the -2 power?
1/4.
A quarter. It's 1/4. How about 2 to the -3 power?
1/8.
1/8. Yes, Brent.
2 to -4 would be
1/16.
16.
And then we go to 1/32nd, 1/64th, and 1/128. Okay. How about 3 to the -1?
3 to the -1 is 1/2.
Not 1/2.
1/3.
1/3. And how about 3 to the -2?
1/6.
1/9.
Oh.
I'm going to take attendance. I'm going to give you a moment to catch up with me on my notes. And then we'll pull this into a nice wall. So here are the big ideas. The first big idea, anything to the 0 power is 1. It does not matter what it is, anything to the 0 power is 1. Anything, okay, my next slide says this. Anything
Do we write down what you're writing?
Yep, 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. And the other part, I'm going to change this. Negative exponents. Figure that out. Negative exponents are tickets to ride the math elevator. Negative exponents are tickets to ride the math elevator. Get that into your notes. I know I haven't explained the math elevator, but I'm about to. Yes. This is a bad idea.
Can I be part of this bad idea?
I need 3 people up there. Go. And oops.
under my desk.
Michael.
Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought. I thought it might get a little bit crazier. All right. Here we go. Bot to the -2. Nate, stand up on your chair, please. A to the -3. How old are you?
I'm 13.
Negative exponents are tickets to ride the math elevator. It's a 2-story building. You're on the top floor. You guys are on the bottom floor. Do you have a ticket? Does he have a ticket? Do you have a ticket?
Yeah.
What do you get to do? You get to go down, just like this guy right here. You see that 3 with a -1? Where did it go?
Down.
It went down. You get to go down. Erase your ticket. Your ticket has been used up. Do you have a ticket?
No.
You have to stay there. Do you have a ticket?
Yeah.
Where do you get to go? You get to go up. It's only a 2-story building. You're already down, so go up. Okay, erase your ticket. Not the 2, just the ticket. The ticket is the negative exponent. And what are you doing there? Hold that, please. Ready? This guy right here. What did I just give him?
A ticket.
I gave you a ticket. Go use your ticket.
Yay.
Erase your ticket.
I'm stuck.
You have a ticket. Show the more. But she used her ticket up.
There's going to be infinite tickets.
Hey, where's your ticket? Where's your ticket?
No. You no. Go back up.
All right.
Because
So-
they're positive.
Yeah. So if they have a ticket,
They go down.
they don't go down. They ride the elevator. Depends where they're at. And what happens? It goes away. She now has a ticket. She goes up, and her ticket goes away. I give you a ticket. What happens to you? He goes down,
It goes away.
and his ticket goes away. I give her a ticket. She goes. What's on top right now?
Michael.
Oh, no one.
Oh, this
I see.
So right now, if this is a fraction, the number 1 is on top. Because can I just, if I have 2, ready? The 2 goes down, and I have to put a 1 on top to keep it as a fraction. So when everybody's on the bottom, there's a 1 on top. If everybody's on the top, there's a 1 on the bottom. You still have a ticket. Didn't you just ride the elevator? So you have to erase your ticket. If you ride the elevator, you have to erase your ticket. All right, so let's bring you down and bring you down. Now, I'm going to use you for the example. Mike likes being on the bottom.
Oh.
Are you happy down there?
Yes.
How happy are you?
I love it. It's cold.
He likes it down here. But I'm like, no, I want you up on the top. And he's like, no, I don't want to go to the top.
No, I don't want to go to the top.
But I want you at the top.
I don't want to be at the
He's
top.
doing a good job. So what I do is this. As I take him, just go with this, okay? And I drag him up to the top. And he's up there, and he starts crying. And he starts saying, I don't want to be at the top.
I don't want to be at the top.
And I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, stop your crying. Just stay up there. Okay, just stay up for a little bit longer. I'm giving you a negative.
You can't see.
And later on, you can come back down to the bottom.
Okay.
Do you see what I did? So sometimes if they have a ticket, they ride up and down. If they don't have a ticket, I can drag them up to the top. And what can I do?
Put a 1 in the bottom.
I give them a ticket. So if they have a ticket, they can ride. But sometimes I drag them and I give them a ticket. So it works as a two-way street. All right. So go back down.
Yay.
Bot really likes it on the top. You like it up there?
I do.
It's awesome. I want you to move to the bottom.
No.
Please?
No.
No. Okay, I move her to the bottom. She's screaming.
No.
No, she's crying.
No.
Oh. And I'm like, okay. Will you just be quiet already? There's a ticket. Later on, you can go back to the top. So I can give her tickets also. All right, we put the boards back there
Yeah.
and go back to your seats.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Where was that heading?
Yeah.
So,
It was
It-
to explain the elevator.
yeah, it's that when you see a negative exponent,
It goes up.
it goes up or down depending on where it's at. So here are your notes. 6 to the negative 2 over 1. This is a ticket. Where's the 6 going to go?
To the bottom.
Down
To the bottom. Where did the ticket go?
Got rid of it.
It got used up. What is currently on top?
One.
Beautiful.
Oh, so the one is the
What is 6 squared?
Oh, a 36.
The whole little thing was to show you that that's a ticket. It used it up. These are just, this is what we just did with people, correct? Oh,
Yes.
Mike. Mike has a ticket. He goes down to the bottom. The ticket goes away. And then I actually square it. How about this one? 1 over 2 to the negative 3. Does the 2 have a ticket?
Yes.
Where is it going to go?
Up.
That's going to be 2 to the 3rd. Where did the ticket go?
I get it now.
Where did the ticket go?
Gone.
Gone.
It's gone. It got used up. What's on the bottom?
1.
1. What is 2 to the 3rd?
8.
It's what we just did. This is Nate. Nate goes up to the top and he erases his ticket. Everybody's going to talk to me now.
Okay.
Alright.
Yep. Let me go to the next slide. Getting to the next presentation, which is Ticket to Ride.
Is this the one?
I got ahead of myself. I started teaching too fast. Nope. You're fine. You're done with notes. Notes are done.
Oh.
Just keep them available. Just keep them out. Just keep them there. Keep them there. Okay. The math house is a 2-story house. There's a top floor and a bottom floor. There's a math elevator. Here's 3/5 in that math house. 3/5. Here is 1/2 in the math house. 1/2. Here is 7 in the math house. 7 over 1. The negatives are tickets to ride the elevator. Where is this 5 going to go? Up. Where's this 6 going to go?
Down.
We just did this.
Bless you.
Here's what you're going to tell me. You're going to tell me up, down, or does it move? I'm going to go through everybody.
No.
Andrew, what's the X going to do?
It's gonna go to the bottom and then erase.
Bottom and erase the ticket. Sophia, what's the 5 going to do? Does it have a ticket? So what's it going to do? It's going to stay there. What's going to be left on top?
1.
A 1. When this guy goes down, there's going to be a 1 left on top. Yanter, what's the X going to do? Stay. What's the Y going to do? What am I going to be left with on the bottom? Not a nothing.
An X.
Nope. A 1.
And it's going to be X.
When one of the floors is empty, just put a 1 there. If nobody's on top, put a 1. If nobody's on bottom, put a 1. Okay. Dakota, what's the X going to do? Does it have a ticket? What's it going to do? Stay. Eli, what's the Y going to do?
Does that count as a ticket?
That's not a ticket. Tickets are negative exponents are tickets.
So is it gonna stay?
It's going to stay. That is not a ticket. It's just a negative. This one. Eva, does the 2 have a ticket?
Yes.
It doesn't have a ticket, so what's it gonna do?
Oh, it's gonna say there.
It's gonna stay. Cameron, does the X have a ticket?
Yes, it does.
Where's it gonna go?
It's gonna go down.
Good. Maddie, does the Y have a ticket?
No,
Well, so what's it gonna do?
it's gonna stay.
Excellent.
So
Yeah.
would that become YX3?
This would be 2 over X to the third Y.
That makes sense.
I just
Oh, okay,
take this
yeah.
guy down and just put it there.
Does it matter what order the variables are?
Usually alphabetical order, X, Y, Z. Where am I? I'm at Sam. Sam.
Yeah.
Sam.
Yeah.
Yes. Use yes.
Yes.
Yes. Leadership school, right?
Yes.
Yes. Does the X have a ticket?
Yes.
Where's it going to go?
Down.
Excellent. Does the Y have a ticket?
Yes.
Where's it going to go?
Up.
So they just flip.
2 over X1.
Perfect.
They just flip it loose.
Paulette. Does the 1 have a ticket?
No.
Does the Y have a ticket?
Yes.
Where's it going to go?
It's gonna go up.
Up.
And the bottom becomes a 1.
And the bottom becomes a 1.
So it would be Y to the third power.
Y to the third power over 1, or just Y to the third power. A 1 on the bottom isn't necessary. A 1 on the top. Like if you have 2 over 1, can I erase the 1? Okay. About 1/2. Can I erase the 1?
No.
No. This one, where am I at? Am I at Mark?
Yeah.
What floor is the X currently on?
I believe he is on the top.
He is on the top floor. It's nice to show the 1 though, isn't it, sometimes?
Uh-huh.
So you can see the 2 floors. Where's he gonna go?
He's gonna go down, he's gonna raise his ticket, and you're gonna put a 1 on top.
And I'm gonna put a 1 on top, because there'll be a 1. Yes, Brady?
How do you know if he's on top?
Because if he was on bottom, the only way he could be on bottom is if that's what I saw, but that's not the same thing. It's like saying 2. Is 2 on top or bottom?
On top.
Top. Bottom.
Well, if it's on bottom
Oh,
though,
well, if it's with
if it's
the
on
other-
bottom, it's a half.
Yeah.
So that changes it, but does this change it?
Oh, no.
No. So if it's just a single number, it's on top.
Okay.
And if it's on bottom, you have to be able to see the top.
Okay.
Where am I at? This one?
Yes.
Okay, and it's time to talk. Okay. Gianna, what about the Y?
It doesn't have a ticket.
Doesn't have a ticket, so what's it gonna do?
It's gonna stay there.
What's the X gonna do?
It's gonna go down.
What's the 2 gonna do?
Stay.
It's gonna stay, perfect. So I have Y over X to the, over 2X to the third.
Okay. Yeah.
Brayden, what floor is everybody on?
The top.
Where's the X gonna go?
Down.
Where's the Y gonna go?
Down.
What's gonna be on top?
1.
Perfect. Mike, what floor is everybody on?
They are on the top floor.
Good, what's the X gonna do?
It's gonna stay.
Where's the Y gonna go?
It's gonna go down and you're gonna get rid of the ticket and then put 1 on the top.
Nice. Although there's already somebody on the top, so I don't need a 1.
Okay.
There's already X there. We already know it's a 2-story building. Narena, what's the 2 gonna do?
It's gonna stay.
The X?
It's gonna go down.
The Y?
The Y's gonna stay.
The Z?
It's gonna go up.
What floor is everybody on? Brooke?
Top.
What's the 4 gonna do?
Stay.
And what's the X gonna do? Beautiful. Cameron, what floor is everybody on?
The top
What's the 4 gonna do?
is gonna go down.
This 4 right here?
Oh,
is-
no, sorry. I thought you were talking about the X.
Different
It's
floor.
gonna stay.
What about the X?
It's gonna stay.
The Y?
The Y is gonna go down.
Perfect. All right, it's time for Marvin. What's the 2 gonna do?
Go down.
What's 5 gonna do?
Go up.
Talitha, what's 5 to the third power? Good, she's using a calculator. I can handle that.
Oh, I know.
125.
Was it 100? You know, they can't even see what I'm doing. 125? And what's 2 to the third?
8.
Good job, Talitha. Right. Miss Bot, what floor is everybody on?
The top.
What's the 4 gonna do?
Stay.
What's the X gonna do? What's the Y gonna do? What's the Z gonna do? Griffin, what floor is everybody on?
The top.
What's the 12 gonna do?
The top's gonna stay.
The Y?
It's gonna go down.
The X?
It's gonna stay.
Ooh. Ava, you got the good one. This is a group. And there's a ticket. What's the group gonna do? Go down. What's the Y gonna do? Does he have a ticket? No. He's gonna stay. So this is all gonna be down there. What's gonna be left on top? A 1.
So 2x to the third.
2x to the third power. 1 over 2x to the third Y.
Oh, 2x
Okay. So this guy, Nate, where's the -4 gonna go?
Down.
And where's the 5 gonna go? Okay. It's gonna stay. Back over here. Sophia, where's the -4 gonna go? Perfect. Andrew, what floor is everybody on? Where's this gonna go?
It's going to go down, or
Does-
with the X or not?
He's not with the X.
Okay, then it's gonna stay there.
How about this?
That one's gonna stay
How about this?
there. That one's not going to go down.
And that one?
No, it's gonna stay.
Stay.
That's the final slide.
I'm gonna make up one extra slide for you.
I can do it.
A bonus slide. You think you can, Mark?
I can do it. I know.
Very
I can.
confident there.
If I don't do it, Nate will do it.
Here we go, Mike.
Seriously?
Yes, of course.
2/3 to the -1. Nate.
Put a 1 on the bottom and 2/3 goes down.
Okay, so. Can't leave it like that.
I know it.
What do you think it's gonna be?
You convert it into a decimal.
Don't convert it into a decimal.
Gosh dang it.
Eli.
1/2/3, 1 to the first power.
Confusing me. Cameron?
You divide 2 by 3.
No? Ready? You ready for it? Here we go, Mike.
I'm ready.
What's the answer?
Oh, you just flip them.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a group. It's a group. Everybody has a ticket.
Oh.
Just like on that other group. So
Okay.
the 2 goes down, the 3 goes up. They just flip. Everybody in the group has a ticket.
Would the 1 still be there, or is the 1 gone?
Yeah, well, you don't need it anymore because anything to the first power is whatever it is. Here, I do one more for you though. Griffin, this one's for you. I dedicate this one to Griffin.
Yes.
I said Griffin.
So you flip the 2 and the 1
Okay.
because they have a ticket, and then 2 over 1 to the third power. So 2 becomes an 8, and the 1 becomes a 1. So it's just 8 over 1.
It's 8.
Oh.
This is 8 because the ticket flips it.
And a single number we already know is
That one's for you. Air 5, Griffin. Boom! Start the homework. You did it last night?
I did the wrong homework again.
Did you get up to a 50 at least?
Yeah. I got 1 up to 91. I got a third 2 to 100.
Good, and at least 10 minutes on the 90? Cool. Then why don't you do the pre-test now then? You've got time in class, work on that a little bit.
Oh, I